Hi guys, it's Tiyasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. So today's video I am showing you 3 amazing easy bottle art DIY. So without any delay, let's start the video. At first, take a glass bottle, then apply a coat of gesso. Let it dry for few hours. Then painted the surface with black acrylic color. After that, take any kind of leaves. Here I am using hibiscus leaves. Apply a small amount of golden acrylic color on the back side of the leaves. Then trace it on the bottle surface. Then I take a silicone mold. Apply some quantity of powder. Then go with molded clay. Mix the same amount of clay and hardener and fill the mold. Here I made a mistake. When I went to take the clay out, it was falling apart. So I repeat the same process again. But here I am using oil instead of powder. Then the clay came out easily. Then stick the clay on the bottleneck with the help of Fevicol. Now I painted it with black acrylic color. Now I go with golden metallic wax and highlighted the clay part. Here you can also use golden acrylic color. Lastly, don't forget to apply varnish. The second one, take a glass bottle, apply a coat of gesso. Then painted it with golden acrylic color. Here I am using a sponge dabber to avoid the brush strokes. Highlighted a small part with orange acrylic color. Then traced a Buddha cutout with permanent marker or carbon paper. You can go with your own preferable choice and filled it with black acrylic paint. Lastly, apply a coat of varnish. And the last one, here I am using decotransfer sheet. Cut it out. Remove the transparent covering and place the image face down on the surface of the bottle. Apply water on the sheet as shown in the video. Gently remove the paper and you will see the image has been transferred on the bottle surface. Lastly, don't forget to apply varnish to make it waterproof and long lasting. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.